Yo, what's going on? It's your boy WhipAddict, man. We are in a undisclosed location, but as you see, it's very nice. About to check out a Camaro for sale, so y'all get y'all bags ready. Stay tuned. '67 Camaro SS. Yeah, man, tell me a little bit about it. 67, right?
67. I acquired it
oh, there you go, right there.
About close to 9 years ago.
Okay.
I acquired it from a neighbor, and I went and had the motor done over.
Okay.
They cleaned the transmission up, put seals in, redid the floors.
Okay.
From the dash all the way to the trunk. Put a new fuel tank. And for the most part, I mean, it just was sick.
Okay.
I probably drive it 3-4 times during the summer. I'll run it up and down 20 every now and again.
Yeah, just stretch it out.
Yeah. Like today, I had to replace fuel hose. One of my fuel hoses had started to drip. It just had a little drip in it.
Okay.
So I went and replaced the little fuel line.
Go, my boy. Okay, so it's a solid car now for sure. I see you got a little couple thing. How long it been painted?
That paint job over there.
Oh wow. And it's 327? My wife in the car. What up, Blake? I said, how I'm beating this fool up here, but I should have known you had something going on.
I get myself together for him.
The speed cat? You think so? Solid close, solid open. Seats in A1.
Every other day. He 20. He 20. He play football up there? No.
It's Sunday fun day. It's the date.
Oh, I know it's tonight.
So it's quiet.